Hey guys, today this fender, it's a bit messed up if you haven't noticed. So we're gonna get a new one. We're driving an hour and a half away to get one that's for an earlier iteration C5. So it has like weird fins on it that I'm hoping I can just take off. And it also has like a messed up corner that was like bondoed up. It's not the perfect example, but it's pretty close by. So we're gonna be one step closer to putting this car back together. All right, step one, we got the fender. It's not that bad at all. This shouldn't be too difficult. I'm crossing my finger. I'm new to all this. Next step, probably gonna be the most annoying step, is actually getting this fender off. Okay, it wasn't as difficult as the bumper, but still annoying. I'll point out all the little screws you have to take out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then there's one hiding inside of the fender. I don't know how you're supposed to access that with a intact fender. Luckily mine's broken, so I just kind of ripped it off. There's one hiding under here. You probably can't see it because it's horizontal. It's the only one that's horizontal in the entire bunch. And then there's 1, 2 on inside the fender. I think you're technically supposed to take this little panel off to access this one, but I didn't do that. But hey, look, I'll point something out. I'm already on the up. Someone left their Star Wars beer koozie in here. Return on investment, let's call it. If anyone needs a C5 Corvette passenger side fender with a giant crack in it, let me know. I'll hook you up. Probably shouldn't have taken this off before I had the new fender ready. Someone's gonna steal whatever like server module this is in the fender well. That's okay though. Hey kids, today we're getting a little Bill Nye Science Guy. As I've told you, this is an early iteration fender, so it has this weird little fin that was supposed to continue on down the door for earlier iteration C5s. This is a later iteration C5, so I'm gonna wanna take that off. So what we got going now is we got ice on the back of it, and we're gonna use the heat gun to heat up just the fin and then tap it off with a hammer, and hopefully it just kind of slides off. I'm hoping there's actual paint under there and they just kind of glued it to there. I'm assuming this is pretty thick glue, so it's gonna take a lot of heat and maybe a lot of prying, so we're gonna try to get it off. It's off. This little silly fin, which I think I can sell this. I think someone doing the same project in reverse can sell this. It's just got glue under there, gonna gooby gone this stuff, and it'll look like a later iteration fender. So I think this was successful. I got a bunch of pies in the oven, but I'll give you an update on the fender. I'm spraying a little primer on this corner that was messed up, so gonna get some more primer on there. The fender now has primer, body coat, and clear coat on it, and it looks all right. I'm just so disappointed that the only fender available in my area was one with damage on the corner, and it was weirdly repaired, but it's looking pretty good. And I think, again, I'm gonna polish this once it's on the car. Once everything is on the car, I'm gonna make it look a little bit smoother. I think I'm gonna wet sand this just because this clear coat is a little bit thick and goopy, but other than that, polish it up, and then I got basically a new fender. Much better than the shark bite one. Before I end for today, I'll point out I'm putting this stupid chrome little vent cover. I don't think it looks very good, but it's on the other side, so I just want to make it look even. So putting that back on, gonna put this little vent back on, then I think I'm ready to put the fender back on. It's actually coming together pretty good. Got the new fender on there. All I need to do is scrape some of that gook off from the fin that was there before, but I'm getting the bumper ready, and I'm putting this car together.